Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this town in France, famous for its tapestry, famous tapestry that is named after it. So how do you go about pronouncing it? Well, in English there are two different ways of pronouncing it, and there's of course the French way. So in France, as a reference, this is said as Bayeux. Yes, the X is silent, as is common with the last letter in words in French. So Bayeux is how it is said in France. In English, British English, this is normally said as Bayeux. Bayeux. Okay, so that sounds rather similar to the French way. In American English, however, this is usually said as Bayeux. Bayeux, so quite different. Bayeux in American English, Bayeux in British English, and Bayeux in French, so you can hear that the British English is quite close. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting French names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci.